Hello, Aliana. Happy birthday. I wish that you have a good day.
'Cause this world keeps spinning faster, and we've gotta chase this light. Let all our shooting stars align. It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine.
Hi Aliana, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. Take good care of yourself, be smart, and God-fearing.
Time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time.
Hey Aliana, happy birthday! Love na love ka ni Kuya DJ at ni Ate Julie mo. Ang wish namin sa'yo, lumaki kang mabuting bata, sumunod lagi kay Tita Weng, kay Kuya Alan, sa papa at mama mo, and kay Kuya Jay.
So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up. I know it's gonna happen.
Happy birthday, Aliana. Sana maging masaya ka na, ayun, napagandaan ka namin. Pakabait ka. Yun lang naman hinihiling namin. Tapos, may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang.
Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
Hello, Bruhilda. Happy birthday. Ayan, mabait ako sa iyo ngayon na hindi tayo magkaaway. So, wish ko ngayong birthday mo, sana palagi kang malusog, masaya. Sana makuha mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. I love you.
It's your time. You were made to fly. Never ever giving up. I know
Happy birthday, anak! Alam kong 90s lips ang hinintay mo bago ang iyong big day. Happy 7th birthday. Lahat ng makikita mo, lahat ng narito, mahal na mahal ka namin.
dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh.
Gusto ko, paglaki mo, makita mo to kung gaano kadami ang nagmamahal sa'yo, kung gaano namin to pinaghandaan. I love you very much. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And good health palagi. I love you, anak. We love you so much.
Love you. Happy birthday.